Hello guys and welcome back to Listen the Great. How are you? Hope you're good. Today we're doing food reaction because we are a foodie and because we love food and because anyway with the lockdown over we need to lock that guy, and the only way we can lock that guy to forget about his plan and his plan day is through our cooking. So to eat, first we are just going to react to very simple basic ideas that we can incorporate into our food ideas because we African, mukate na chai, tea and bread will be the end of us all. So here's some ideas that you could borrow from the other side of the world and that could make your breakfast spicy. Okay, number one, take some eggs, then put some bread, add your lettuce, some brawn, maybe some ham, whatever you prefer. Let it cook, slices, and voila! Look at this. This is a masterpiece. Genuinely a masterpiece and very, very simple to make. Definitely. Kesho asubuhi, tomorrow morning. Girl, you better try this. You'll be so shocked. You'll be like, wow, what is a new thing? And new things are exactly what we need to life going. You're not even doing it for the guy, man. You're also doing it for yourself. Okay, number two. So you've ordered in and you have all this food. Perhaps instead of just stressing out and having them one by one, did you know you could actually combine everything and have some really nice homemade burgers of sorts? I like the way the guy is just like putting everything together and then putting the sauce, and it looks so yummy, and I think it even saves you on time for eating because now you could have taken like 10 minutes because you're doing one by one. Now you can just take it all in and it's amazing. Lunch ideas. We know, we are all working on being healthy. We want to be healthy as much as we can, and this is a super duper healthy meal because I can see like everything they're using here just very the meal and everything they're using is basically healthy stuff. We have onions, we have tomatoes, we have garlic, we have some veggies of sorts, and we have some rice, and we have some meat. We love our meat. I love my meat. I love my meat. But lately I've been talking to people and people are turning vegetarian, and it's okay. Love your veggies. But if you do this, it's very easy to make. The veggies are super basic. It's a new way to make it. You don't actually boil them fast. You just fry them. Then shallow fry them. You can put some soy, have some lovely veggies. Then head on to your your meat. I'm just confused. I'm like, okay, I'm looking at you and I'm looking at the video and I'm like, I get lost. But I don't know if weak people like raw egg. I don't think I need the raw egg. But it's a touch for a chosen kind of palate, which I don't think is an African palate, but I'm sure it works for someone out there. So the next one, oh wow, this is an afternoon thingy. Oh my gosh, this is an afternoon idea where you can just freeze your fruits. Take as many fruits, they choose the bananas and some berries, they freeze them, then blend them with some milk, and that's a smoothie. You don't need sugar. Okay, people add sugar to their smoothies and juices, but I'm always thinking like the fruits have sugar, and you're thinking about being healthy and maintaining weight and losing weight. You don't need additional sugar. The fruit will actually sugar of its own, and it looks really nice. These are very nice because it's frozen, so I'm sure it's like really cold. It's a nice idea for something in the afternoon, and it's also a very nice idea occasion like Saturday or Sunday after the hangover and everything. This is something you can do and that is very much fun. Next one. Oh my god. Who made this? Who actually made this glass? Like it looks like a vase. It's not even a vase. It's gigantic, and like every head turns and they're like, okay, who's receiving this? Oh my god, it's mega. Oh my gosh. Even the guy receiving it is looking at it funny, like, oh, is it for me? For sure, is it mine? But I think some guy, he was trying to think of the phone. Put the ring in there. Let's see if she can get to the bottom of this. I'm sorry, I'm not being sadistic. I'm just don't know. Girls want these rings so much, maybe. So the extra work wouldn't quite hurt now, would it? I don't know. Next one. This for the girls who are complaining that my man got no talent. My man's a couch potato. This man is doing nothing. This guy got talent. He can handle these watermelons in ways that you don't know. So he's transporting, he's actually putting the melons, he's getting the melons from someone and getting them into the truck and having fun while doing it. I don't think in life there's anything that matters more than having fun in anything that you're doing. And it takes talent, because I'm thinking I cannot juggle a melon like the way he's doing it, and the melon will fall, it will break, and it will be disaster. If it's actually meant for sale, it's major loss if it's who's doing it. So your boo got talent. Boo got talent. Boo got talent. Don't go to missing someone he done got talent. Talent comes in many forms, girl. This is talent. Food talent. Okay, next one. I'm laughing. Now this one. This one. I'm confused. No words, like what was going through the person's head to make such a device. Like, this machine is separating egg white and egg yolk. Do we need that in such large quantities? Oh. I'm always thinking there's some devices that are made for some work and other devices are. Tell me. How necessary is this? Like, there's that small like a vacuum thingy that you can only suck out the egg, the egg yolk. So why do you? Next. I don't even have words. So people have been doing this on TikTok a lot. I'm thinking this one I want to do it practically just to confirm. So you take a banana, put it in a bowl, then add some Coke and add some Sprite. Leave it for 24 hours, and supposedly you're supposed to make this amazing plastic banana. I don't know how true this is, but I'll just like, I want to try it, like just to see. How are you sure it works? I don't know. This one we need to get like, we need to actually do it and see. Next one. So there's this whole hype that people have been having about the banana bread, and everybody eats this banana bread, and everyone banana bread. It's good. We appreciate the banana bread idea, but there's another kind of bread, an omelette bread. So you take all your ingredients, the carrots, the veggies that you need, some meat perhaps, and the eggs, blend them together. Once you blend them together, this is how you cook them. It takes time and patience, but it looks really nice. And look at the final product. Look at this. You thought that dough is the only thing that can make bread? Eggs are making you run for your money, sister. Eggs can make bread. You don't know? Now you know. I love it about Africa. It's maize. But maize. Roasted maize. I don't know the proper word, but maize. Grilled maize. This is something that I am just so proud of. This is something that shows my culture and something that I'm just like, oh my gosh. I'm actually looking at it mainly because it's maize harvesting season, and there's this maize, and I'm wishing like I was up country. This is so much fun. So you actually grill the maize like this, and then you make the sauce. The sauce is just some lemon, some chili powder, and some salt. Then rub it on your maize, and I'm telling you, it's oh my gosh, it's, what do I say? The saliva is filling my mouth. it's finger licking, like I'm just feeling it. The mental image of this. Yo, Western people should try this. You talk about nyama choma and you like it. This is number 2 delicacy in Africa, and everyone should try this. This is on another level and completely African. And also a breakfast idea. If you have a grill, it's a breakfast idea. You could actually also have the boiled maize, because it's maize harvesting season. You can boil the maize, and then when you boil the maize with some kachumbari, you'll have some good dish. That guy is not thinking about his clothes. That guy is just thinking about the cooking. That guy is just going to be thinking about staying home. Lockdown does not have to be corona based. It could be kitchen based. It could be cooking based. It could be delicious, simple ideas that take less than 10-20 minutes. And you're having lockdown. So that was the video for the day. Hope you liked it. I am sure you've learned some 1-2 ideas, and I'm sure you're going to be trying it out, because we love cooking and we love food and we love good food. We love good food. These are Listen the Great. Remember, you're beautiful within and without. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, and share like crazy. We're trying to grow this Listen family. Until next time, adios amiga. Bye bye.